Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirja Education channel. I hope you all are doing well. Before we start this video, please subscribe our channel if you have not done it and press the bell icon for the notifications. In the previous video, we learned about the design tab of the chart. In this video, we are going to see how to format your chart elements. So let's start that. As you can see, I have already opened this chart one and the format tab. In that one, current selection, insert shapes, shape styles, word art styles, accessibility, arrange and the size groups are there. We are going to select the shape styles. So from this one, you can select shape style, you can change it. Let's take this black one. Then shape fill is already black over here. Shape outline, I am going to select the yellow color. Then shape effect if you want to change. This kind of editing we have done in a shape video. Here word art style. Wherever you can see this text, for that we are using this word art style. So let's take this. From fill color, you can change the fill color. And from the outline color, you can change your outline color. Here I am going to select the predefined word art, which is this one. So as you can see, it has been changed. Now this position and the wrap text work same as we did it for the shape. So I am not going in a detail. I will just simply show you the center position. As you can see, this is the center part of your page. Right? If you minimize it, you will be able to see that one. Then wrap text, in that I am going to select the in front of text. Okay, and if you want to move it, you can move up. Then bring forward, which does the work same as we did it for the shape, send backward and selection pin. And also the alignment, these are the alignment. Let's keep the aligned bottom. So did you see the plot area is being aligned to the bottom side. If you want to change this manually, you can click and drag it. So this was about your arrange group. Then select the chart area and then size. If you want to increase the size vertically, increase the size. Can you see the difference? And if you want to increase the size horizontally, did you see that? So this is how your size works. Here from this insert shapes group, you can insert any of the shape. Let us say this star, and you can place it over here, and you can format your shape over here. I am going to take the fill color yellow color. This is your chart elements, which select a chart element so that you can format it. So whenever you are selecting any element of your chart, it will display over here. Let us say this one. So this is your back wall, which I have selected. If I select this, this is your series sales data label, as you can see over here. So here your selected portion will be displayed. Then format selection, which shows the format task pane to fine tune formatting for the selected chart element. So click on that. And you can see the format tab over here, from which you can format your chart. So value from cells, you can insert values from charts. Then series name, category name is already displayed over here, value is already displayed over here. Okay, so this is how your format data labels work. Then reset to match style. It will reset or clear the custom formatting of the selected chart element back to the overall visual style applied to the chart. So click on that. Did you see the difference? I did changes over here, which has been turned into the original position. So this was about formatting your chart in MS Word. For more videos, stay tuned with Nirja Education and keep learning with it.